Guys, welcome to today's quick vehicle visionary tutorial. I'm going to use this 2021 Chevrolet Camaro, which seems kind of fitting to show you how to use Team Driver mode and exactly what's available. Now once you fire the vehicle up, get the infotainment screen up and running, you're going to go to Vehicle, and then you're going to look for Team Driver. That's what you're going to hit. So I already pre-entered a code, but the first time you do it, of course, you can set the code to whatever you want it to be. Here's everything you can turn on or off depending on what you want to do right there. And of course, you've got instructions on exactly what these different settings do. And like I said, I don't want to make this too long of a tutorial, so we're not going to cover every single little thing in fine detail. But of course, you can change the PIN, and you can view the report card. So if you want to know how fast were they going, how far did they go, all that kind of stuff, here it is right here on the screen. So basically your teenager can't refute what they have done. And you can also pre-program the keys. As you can see right here, if you have multiple sets of keys, it will tell you what to do and how to do this. If you would like to see a more in-depth tutorial on this, let me know, but just kind of to show you some of the base options here, what you can do and how easy it is to set up. And even if you want to clear everything out, which I am going to do that real quick, that's what you can do. Just hit clear, and it's basically going to set everything up. So even the PIN was cleared, and I did this because I don't want someone to hop in here from the dealership and not be able to use the feature. But essentially, as you can see right there, that's how it works. In fact, let me go ahead and just reset the PIN just so you can see how it works. This is just that simple. And then you do it a second time, hit set, and then you're ready to go. And so basically that's it. There's really nothing complicated about it, but you can customize this however you want to, depending on what your situation is, what your desires are, and even change the warnings and how they work and all that kind of stuff. A lot of customizability here. If it's something you've never had before in a vehicle, don't be afraid to try it out. And of course, there's a lot more in-depth information in your owner's manual and definitely here on YouTube. But tell me if you want a more in-depth tutorial on this, and I'll just make it however long it needs to be. But this was just a quick little overview. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for taking the time to watch, guys. And tell me what it is you want to see me feature here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Bye-bye.